Welcome to Tutoring Metal, the place where future Bachelor Professional of Metal meet to successfully prepare for exams. In this video, we show you what you need to know for the exam about manufacturing technology. With our expertise and our network, our team will help you to pass your exam. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow us on social media. Let's begin now. The numerical controls, NC, were invented in the 1970s. The program we're implementing used hardwired components. Each application needed a tailored solution. Extensions and changes on the program were only possible in hardware. This costly efforts required a better solution. Further development led to computer numeric control, CNC. Here, the computer took over the control of the machine tool. Microelectronics enable stable quality in production. Programs are dubbed by data carriers. The input is possible either directly on the machine using the keyboard or via a PC with programming software. The advantages of the NC controls are extended application possibilities, individual, small, large production, complete processing of complicated workpieces possible, multi-machine operation, optimum adaptation of technology data such as feed and cutting speed, easy program change, manufacturer-independent commands, G-code, process stable production, improved quality through tool monitoring, no human influences, exact repeatability, manufacturing accuracy, and program flow. This means that random control checks are sufficient. Technical features designate the 10 functional units, components of the machine: main drive unit, feed drive unit, main drive power transmission unit, feed drive energy transmission unit, support carry unit, control unit, carriage guide unit, tool changing unit, coolant unit, protection unit. The main drive unit converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. The feed drive unit converts the control commands into movement. The main drive energy transmission unit converts the rotary motion of the motor into a rotary motion of the workpiece or tool. The feed drive energy transmission unit are spindle nut systems that generate a linear feed movement of the carriage. The support carrying unit, e.g., inclined bed, accommodates the individual functional units of the machine. Gray cast iron or a steel cast iron combination is used as the material. The control unit contains the HMI, but the feed motors are also controlled. Point, path, or line controls are used. The unit also includes the incremental position measuring system. An indirect or direct measurement is possible. The slide guide unit realizes the linear movements with dovetail or flat guides. The tool changing unit contains the movable or stationary tool magazines, such as turret, disc, star, or drum magazines. Revolver magazines are mainly used on NC lathes. The cooling lubricant unit or temperature control unit enables an increase in service life and surface quality through better chip evacuation. The protective unit consists of several components, e.g., emergency stop button, safety glass, sliding door, or, in the case of networked machines, protective fences.